Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier, 3,500 milliliters, is an impressive appliance designed for efficient moisture control in various settings, including basements, bedrooms, and bathrooms. With its high-capacity design, it effectively removes excess humidity, making it an ideal solution for areas prone to dampness and mold growth. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its ability to extract up to 3,500 milliliters of moisture daily. This makes it perfect for larger spaces, as it can handle significant levels of humidity without needing frequent emptying. The built-in water tank has a generous capacity, and an automatic shutoff feature ensures that the device stops running once the tank is full, preventing any overflow or spills. Portability is another highlight of this model. Weighing in at a compact size, it can easily be moved from room to room, allowing you to target problem areas as needed. The sleek design means it fits well in various decors without being an eyesore. In terms of operation, this dehumidifier is ultra-quiet, making it suitable for bedrooms and other quiet spaces. You can comfortably run it overnight without disturbing your sleep, a feature that many users appreciate. The energy efficiency of the device is commendable. It uses minimal power while delivering maximum results. This not only helps in reducing electricity bills but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly household. In addition, setting up the dehumidifier is straightforward. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings, and the indicator light clearly shows when the tank needs to be emptied. Overall, the dehumidifier, 3,500 milliliters, is an essential appliance for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. With its capacity, portability, and quiet operation, it effectively combats humidity, making your living spaces healthier and more comfortable. If you face issues with moisture and are seeking a reliable solution, this dehumidifier is worth considering.